Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to manage your products on your Wix website. So let us get started. First, go to your Wix website and access the left side menu. Under the Site and Apps section, tap on Website to begin editing your website. Click on Edit Site to make the necessary changes. Now, depending on where you have placed your products on your website, tap on the Products section and click on Manage Products. Here, you can easily remove any products that you no longer wish to sell. To do this, simply click on the three dots next to the product you want to remove and tap on Delete. Repeat this process for any other products you want to remove. Once you have completed managing your products, go back to your website. You will notice then that the featured products have been updated and the products you remove are no longer visible. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your products on your Wix website, ensuring that your online store is up to date and organized. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.